Hype or real marketing? This is the question that you may be asking yourself when researching a cryptocurrency company. You know deep down that there's something odd with the company and the way they present themselves, but you can't be too sure. But in today's video, we'll talk about 3 different tips that you should have in mind before determining if they're the real deal or a fake wanting your hard-earned money. Let's get in. Tip number 1. Now, delays. Are you noticing that they're meant to launch a product in a specific month or quarter of the year, but the product is constantly delayed with excuses by the team or the admin on Telegram? Well, that's a red flag. At the end of the day, most of the crypto startups take part in a token sale and they receive enough funding to develop, unless they want to relax by the beach with your investment. Let's talk about tip number 2, and that's over tweeting. It's fine to see a daily tweet, maybe even 2 tweets in a day, but when it's becoming spammy, you know there's something odd going on. It's usually a sign of desperation by the project, unless the tweets are legit updates, of course. Seeing too many GIFs or fun memes is a sign of a project that's not taking development seriously, and if everything is a joke, well, the company usually turns out to be a joke too. Let's talk about the final tip, and that's tip number 3. Fake partnerships. If you've been in the crypto community for even 1 month, you'd have seen various projects tweet announcements like, "We're happy to announce that we've partnered with this or that project." But is the partnership legit, or just using the name and then you never hear about them? Now, some of the particularly worrisome ones are ones which are using large names like Polkadot as partners, when Polkadot doesn't really partner with anyone. Rather, what they do is they support their vision and roadmap in some cases, but they have their own stuff to worry about. Now, how many times do you see Gavin Wood tweet about this and that project? Almost never, right? I hope you found these tips useful and will use them in the future when researching cryptocurrency companies. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.